Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-e.tv scandal. Sikhuluma nge-storyline esishisa ke be laphana ke kwi-e.tv scandal. I-storyline sika Lihle kanye ke nomalume ke uLibone. Well guys, izinto ke azihambi neze kahle for uLihle, but ke ngazi ukuthi inkungu isiqala ke manje ukuvuleka ukuthi abone ukuthi hayibo yazi kahle hle lana ngikaxele because angithi ngiyakhumula guys ukuthi ke they have booked to B&B, so uLihle bekacabanga ukuthi they'll be sleeping in different rooms noLibone. Mayifika lapha ufika uLibone usemmele uLibone umtshela ukuthi unfortunately yazi Lihle ukuphela kwendlu ke abanayo lana bathi abanayo ke enye indlu, so we will have to share. Angazi mina yazi guys ukuthi uLihle bekahlolwa ini kanti ababaliyalini lapha nomama babahlola ukuthi hayibo ungenziwa isilima indoda ongayazi, like run away nje, know your values, be confident about yourself. So uLihle guys, she keep on falling for wonke lamanga lawa ke kaLibone. But ke guys, thanks to uBhotsotso, because uBhotsotso emva ukuthi ebonile ukuthi ke uLibone is not good for uLihle, kade babona behagana emakhoneni ini futhi wambona ithinta ke uLihle lapha na ke level. So guys, uBhotsotso uzohamba ke aye kubuka Lihle lapha na ke konhloso, afika batshela ukuthi ayibo ngizocheck ukuthi uLihle ukhona yini, bathi hayi uLihle akekho useSoweto, I think uzophinde futhi aye Soweto. Afika thola ukuthi uLihle akekho, and methola lokho guys ke kuzosuka ke umsindo lo wangempela because uzofunwa ke manje ke uLihle. Lento ke yenzakalayo izoxabanisa kakhulu uMadlomo kanye ke noNhloso because uLihle mefuna ukuhamba indlela zakhe uqamba manga baba wakhe athi uya kuma wakhe athi uvumile uma wakhe he's just doing that guys, and uzobaqhatha ke lokhu ke kwangempela. And ke guys ke iskeleton ziyaqala ziyaphuma manje njengoba bethi ke intombi yalobhuti lokaLibone encane naye ngaphansi koLihle noma ngangolihle izofika ngoTuesday izocacisa ukuthi kahle hle kwenzekalani ke ngayo, and uHlohe will be very shocked ukuthi kahle hle ngihlezi nobani lana. So asazi guys ukuthi izoqhubeka yini, but I don't think they'll sleep guys. I don't think ukuthi khona into ezokwenzeka phakathi kwabo. Kodwa nje bathi ke uLihle yena uzobe naso impela ke istress ke after this whole thing eyenzakalayo lapha na ke kuyena. I think it will be Thursday or it will be Friday. Basho ukuthi ke uzobe frustrated ke kakhulu ke uLihle. Guys, so yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share your opinion about their relationship ke ka Lihle lami. Yo ndoda ikhohlakele mayisithi Lihle lami vele ubona ukuthi yazini hayi umunga naye shem nkosami uLihle, she's a baby, she's very young, it's just that ke akakhulumi namuntu. So yeah guys, bye.